We got a trash can on the loose.
Things too, so I think that scared them.
We got a trash can on the loose.
I have this on.
Oh wait, guys, did you guys try and turn on the other hand? There's a button to turn on the other hand.
Oh, look at that. That trash can ain't moving though.
Where'd it go?
The other trash can across the street, it ain't moving.
But this one, it literally came all the way down there.
I know, I saw that. Let's move the blinds.
This is really bad. There's so much lightning and stuff.
Look at the
Wait,
sky.
our dad.
Look at the tree bridge. I literally hit my head.
I'm holding on to fire.
Antonio could hit his head.
What?
Antonio could hit his head on this
You
branch.
have to watch this, dude. You can't play VR all the time.
Yes, I can.
No.
Okay.
I'm getting my hand to move.
Okay.
Move hands. I'm grabbing my other hand.
Look at that.
Look at this. See how it's slowing down?
Whoever that is.
Who is that, your mom? With that one? That's so much.
Your dad's here.
My dad?
Yeah, he's a psychopath. No,
Oh, is that Chris? That's Chris.
it's Chris and your dad. It was a white car.
Was it a Honda?
Where is it?
It went in the parking.
It's probably Chris. My
Yeah.
dad. My dad doesn't know where you guys live and he's coming. Wait, should I go check?
Anything, text our dads and see if they're okay. Text
Wait,
everyone.
my dad.
What?
What if that actually is my dad?
He's a psychopath.
You've come out by now.
Everyone's driving back home.
Yeah. Look at this boy. This is not funny no more.
This ain't no fun and games. Like, look at the street. Unwrecked.
Oh!
What? Did you hear that thunder?
Yes. It was thunder.
Lightning!
The thunder.
And the lightning bolt. Now, can you be technique?
Unwrecked? The street doesn't look as bad. Like, look in the camera.
It doesn't.
But look, when you look out, it looks like it's actually like
How do I
flooded.
turn off the thingy?
Look at that car. It's going so slow.
Here. I got you.
That's right.
This is not fun and games. This ain't no fun and games. Funny. Yeah, you take the camera.
Oh my god.
Look at the street.
Thunder outside the game.
Look, oh my god, look at that.
Wait, what? Bro, the sky looks so
Look at all
white.
these cars. There's like zooming home.
Yeah, they need to go home.
No, I ain't playing
Before-
anymore. This is too scary. I hear the thunder. From the
There's that car. The red car be going zoomy with the van.
Like, look at the sky. It's